All right, so this is going to be another quick NinjaTrader tip video. So what led up to this one is I was playing around one night and then I messed around and deleted my chart. So I needed to figure out how to recover my chart. So that's what I'm going to go over in this video. Because sometimes if you're playing around with stuff and you move things around to get things out of place, or you delete a chart, or you delete something, you change something by mistake, and then you end up saving it, that can cause you some issues, and you may feel like you got to recreate things and all of that stuff, but you don't have to recreate your setup, start everything from scratch. NinjaTrader actually offers a unique feature to where you can just recover to a previously saved workstation, right? A workspace. All right, so to illustrate this, let me go ahead and connect to my simulated data feed just so we have everything going. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to illustrate this with I'm going to workspaces, and I'm going to illustrate this with the main event. You can kind of see I've been playing around with it, with these other ones, but I'm just going to open up this main event, right? All right, so now that we have the main event open, let's say I was just playing around and I actually ended up, closing that window by mistake, and let's just say I messed around and I moved this window down too far down here, something like that, and see, and then I messed around and I accidentally saved this main event, right? So now if I go in here and if I close this, let's say I close it with it all messed up, and then we're going to go back and open up main event, and I say I was out of my mind, I didn't realize it in a moment, then I open it back up and here I am with my charts all messed up. All right, so we don't have to worry, it's all good. We can go ahead and restore from an older version. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to tools, then we're going to go to database management, and then down here in these drop downs we're going to go to restore workspace and click on restore. And then, so I want to restore to an older main event. I'm going to click on this main event folder, and you can see all of the previous saves that I have for the main event workspace, right? So I'm going to click on, which one do I want? Let's say I want the one from December 11, right? I think that's December. It's December. Yeah, December 11, right? Let me go ahead and open that up because I know that's the one that worked for me. And there we go. This is how I want my workspace to look. This is how I want my charts laid out. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, now that I got this recovered, we're gonna go back to workspaces, and you can see we have a restored version here. That's the one that's open right now. So let's just say I want to store that as I want to save it as the main event. All right, I'm just gonna click on save, or no, I'm gonna click on save as, and then click on main event. Oh, came into a problem. So what you got to do before you can save it as the one that your main save or whatever that you want it to be, save as the regular main event, not the restored main event. So now we go back to save as, go to main event. All right, save, yes, replace. And then now let me go ahead and, so see now, right now we have the main event, the regular main event open, right? So if I close this down, go ahead and save it again. All right, so this took, now that main event workspace is closed. So let me open it back up just to make sure everything is good. Go to main event. And there we go. My charts are all laid out like they should be. I don't know why it keeps wanting me to, oh, because I'm saving older versions, that's why. All right, so let me go to update that one more time. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save, so I don't got to keep updating the contract month, right? All right, so that's really, this was something that I actually discovered my mistake. So I don't know, maybe if you didn't know that this existed, that NinjaTrader had this feature, now you know. And if you found it helpful, just let me know in the comment section below. Go ahead and hit the like button and all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Trade it easy.